Attention, tech enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Picture this, an extraordinary opportunity to dive into the world of Arduino, all while rubbing elbows with like-minded individuals. Yes, this could be you at the upcoming Arduino workshop. But here's the catch. The clock is ticking and seats are filling up faster than you think. Imagine immersing yourself in the intricate workings of Arduino, a platform that has revolutionized the way we perceive and interact with technology. This workshop offers an exclusive chance to delve deep into the endless applications of Arduino, equipping you with valuable knowledge and skills that will set you apart in the tech world. But it's not just about learning. The Arduino workshop is also a unique networking platform. Connect with fellow enthusiasts who share your passion for technology. Collaborate and exchange ideas, build lasting relationships, and who knows, you might just find your future tech collaborator right here. Now, here's the crucial part. The seats for this workshop are limited. Once they're gone, well, they're gone. There won't be another chance to be part of this hands-on Arduino experience. So the question is, are you ready to grab this opportunity before it slips through your fingers? To secure your seat, you need to act, and you need to act fast. Register by the 1st of November. After that, we can't guarantee availability, so don't let time be your enemy. The countdown has begun, and we're eager to see you at the workshop, armed with your creativity and innovative spirit. Be proactive, act now, and be part of something truly special. Remember, the world of Arduino awaits you. Don't just dream about the future, shape it. Register now and make this workshop your stepping stone into the fascinating realm of Arduino. And remember, if you have any questions or need assistance with registration, don't hesitate to reach out. Time waits for no one, so make your move. Register now and let your journey into the world of Arduino begin.